What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. We're going to be recapping the trades for today. We'll be ending the day here down red. The reason I am red is because I did force two trades on Roku today, and I wouldn't really say forced it, but I knew that I probably shouldn't have traded. So long story short, I basically forced two trades, which resulted in me having a loss, which brought me down to a red day nonetheless. So, even at, like midway through the day, midway through the morning, I'm like, all right, market, not really liking it. Probably should call it trade. I think I was up maybe like $200 or something like that. So we'll walk you through it. First off, here's one trade that I just made recently. Just a quick scalp trade. I seen ZSA going up, and it's been up pretty big. So I really just hopped in for a scalp trade, seeing this kind of curl here off the 9, hopped in 4,000 shares at I ended up getting filled all the way here at 410 due to the spread. And it was a market order, so by the time I hit buy, I was trying to buy here at the low. The candle started moving. I got filled at 410 and then ended up taking it off here at 416. So quick little $188 win on a 6-cent scalp. Still moving up here. Then we'll go over to Roku. We'll show you the losing trade. So there's a couple trades here on Roku. All right, so my first trade was a long right here, 1,500 shares, ended up taking it off as it was dropping down. So, the reason for taking the long was I seen Roku down on the day, bounce, kept bouncing, right? And it was in this wedge pattern. It failed to break down there, failed to break down there, failed to break down there. So after not breaking lower, not breaking lower, not breaking lower, big buy candle, I'm like, okay, well, then probably this wants to go long. So I hopped in long here on this little trend line break. Pops up, hits a 50 moving average, comes down. Pops up, hits a 50 moving average, comes down, comes down. I take it off and go, okay, too light a volume, whatever it may be, it's not working. So I'm like, well, if it doesn't want to go long, then maybe it's actually a short play. So then I hop in short on the trend line break here, and then come to find it's just being a slow moving turd. And at that point, I'm like, you know what? You shouldn't even been trading either one of these positions, so let's just take this one off. So I ended up giving myself basically an unnecessary $475 loss from basically two stupid trades today, okay? The one good trade I had on the day was DPZ, which was a short trade. So I ended up getting short here, 25 shares, held through all the way on this move, didn't cover up here, added 50 shares short here after we tapped the VWAP, 50 moving average, and tap on the VWAP again. I'm like, okay, we double topped off the 50 EMA and the VWAP area, so I added in 50 shares short. Of course, it doesn't break down here. It goes with a fake out candle back up to the 50 moving average, and then I take it off. And of course, it ends up trickling down a little bit lower on the day. But regardless, still a good trade. Ended up making 122 bucks on it, so nothing major. And then I'm currently in short on Netflix here. I shorted Netflix last night, 20 shares here, pops up, ends up fading all the way out. So still holding short here, up 50 bucks on this. This is more of like a swing trade that I'm sizing in on because you can see, obviously, well, you won't be able to see much with all these trades on. So let me take these off. All right, so with this one, you can see, obviously, Netflix is kind of up towards some highs. Let me get that off. Up towards some highs, we're starting to see weakness. So I've been slowly thinking about sizing into a short position on Netflix. That does not mean you should start doing it because I'm doing it, but that's what I'm doing. So currently in short, only 20 shares Netflix, going to probably size in a little bit more if we, still seems to stay bearish over the next couple of days. So nonetheless, one short trade on DPZ today, small share size, made like 100-something bucks. And then two stupid trades on Roku, lost 470 bucks. One quick scalp trade on ZSAN for 180 bucks. Right now, we're sitting down on the day, $108. So nonetheless, not a really good trading day, not a terrible trading day. It would have been a fine trading day if I didn't force it. So that's what I did. I really just, kind of forced two trades there, even when I told myself I shouldn't. So I kind of let that evil, greedy, devil subconscious mind kick in a little bit and cause me to force two trades. Luckily enough, I was smart enough just to kind of take them off rather than trying to force anything else. So, good in my opinion, or good that I stopped forcing it and kind of just took it off. So nonetheless, down $100, not going to make me or break me, not going to kill me. So pretty basic, slow trading day for me. Nothing really kicked in too big. And that's it. Just a couple small trades. Hope you guys like the video. Just want to come in and recap them. Again, so we're going to be ending the day down here about $100. I'll show you right here. There's a P&L. So DPZ 120, Roku minus 400, 500, $55 on Netflix, and 188 here on ZSN. So great trading day? No, not the worst. So we'll move forward into tomorrow, looking for a green day. Other than that, hope you guys like the video. Definitely stay tuned for the next videos to come, and I'll see you guys on the next one.